15 common issues with air conditioners. 1. Equipment does nothing when turned on. A. Check power supply. B. Activate the circuit breaker if necessary. C. Check remote control batteries and timer programming. 2. Evaporator or thick pipe freezing. A. Clean filters and internal parts to improve airflow and heat absorption in the indoor unit or evaporator. B. Verify correct turbine speed. C. Check connection, position, and condition of temperature sensors. 3. Low revolutions in the evaporator fan. A. Check capacitor and power electrical connections. B. Check fan motor bearings, ruling out any jamming. 4. Freezing in the thin pipe. A. Detect and correct leaks. B. Rule out clogged capillary tube. 5. Clogged capillary tube. A. The capillary should be at least at room temperature, not cold or frozen. 6. Compressor fails to start. A. Check power cables and, if necessary, replace the compressor's starting capacitor. B. Presence of an open compressor coil. You can measure the electrical resistance of the motor coils through the power pins, and it should never show infinite electrical resistance. 7. Compressor starts but intermittently shuts off. A. Verify the proper refrigerant charge and achieve normal pressures. B. Compressor electrical problem causing current leakage. You can check for continuity between the coils and the compressor casing. There should be infinite resistance between the pins and the compressor casing. 8. Non-condensable gases in the system. Cause: poor vacuum during installation. Extract contaminated gas, vacuum, change the filter, and recharge with clean refrigerant. 9. Low speed in the condenser fan of the outdoor unit. A. Check capacitor, bearings, and clean the fan if necessary. 10. Poorly insulated pipe. Solution: install new insulation on the pipes to prevent unwanted heat transfer. 11. Dripping from the indoor unit. A. Rule out obstruction in the drain pipe, or improper positioning. B. Clean air filters. 12. Compressor block due to lack of lubrication or wear. A. Check for the presence and color of compressor oil. B. If the compressor is jammed due to wear, preventing normal startup with normal current consumption, the compressor should be replaced. 13. Refrigerant system leaks. Detect and correct leaks, then vacuum if necessary, and recharge refrigerant. 14. Issues with the electronic control board. A. Check connection, position, and condition of temperature sensors. B. Check for swollen capacitors on the board or signs of overheating. C. Verify the LED indicator on the board. D. Check the condition of the signal cable or communication between boards. 15. The unit operates, but with low efficiency or stops frequently. A. Clean the condenser of the outdoor unit. B. Clean the evaporator of the indoor unit, and its air filters.